afternoon everyone. Welcome to Baju's exam prep. So today we have this practice session on abstract reasoning. We have been doing multiple such sessions so that you get acquainted with different types of questions that are asked in abstract reasoning, okay, and how to tackle them, right? So what should be the how do you observe things, what are the factors that you should look for while solving abstract reasoning questions. Okay, so there are different varieties of questions that could be series based, that could be some could be odd one out, analogies, paper folding, etc, etc. So I've seen multiple such questions in the past sessions as well. So if you have not watched those, please do watch those sessions as well. So let us start with today's session. Before that, just give a show of hands who are present so that we know that okay, people are watching this video, and please do like the session if you enjoy these sessions. So let's begin with the first question. Odd one out is one of the question types that is present in these exams. Okay, you are given a set of 4 or 5 figures. You have to find which one does not follow the pattern, okay, or there is something common in all but one of the figures, and you have to find that figure which is odd one out from others. So good afternoon Ayush, Sweetie, Shudhanshu and everyone else whosoever is present in this video. So we are given 5 images. You have to spot which one is different from others. So one thing that you need to keep in mind in abstract reasoning is whether it is odd one out, analogy, series, anything, right? One thing that you have to focus is that elements, right? What are the elements in this image? And see the pattern, that what is the pattern being followed, which one is not following that pattern. So if you see this, there is a horizontal line and then you have curves on top of them, right? And another curve on the bottom side. Okay, so one curve on the top, one curve on the, so 4 curves on the top, 4 on the bottom, right? So let us look at these images and identify what is common, what is non-common in this. Okay, so if you see this first image, this one is going to the right side, this one is going to the left side, this one is pointing to the left side, this one is pointing to the right side. Okay, now second, if we see, this is pointing to the left side, and second one is pointing to your right side. This again is right side and this is left side. Okay, so if we see that the 4 images, this is the sequence that we have. Okay, so what do you notice in this image? So we notice this, that these images are opposite, right? So if it is pointing towards right side, this is left side, this is left and this is right, left, right and right, left. Okay, opposite हो रहा है. In this it is again like you do not need to write left and right, you can see and see. Okay, this is opposite of this, ये इधर point कर रहा है, इधर point कर रहा है. Okay, opposite, opposite, again opposite. Okay, so it is following the same pattern that they are opposite facing. Okay, the top one and the one below it, they are all opposite. Now in this case, this is also opposite, this is towards left side, this is right side. ये भी opposite है, ये भी opposite, and this is also opposite. So in option C also we see opposites. Okay, now let us see option D. Option D, this, all these are facing this side, all these are facing this side. So this is also in opposite direction. Okay, so we have seen that all 4 options, they are facing opposite directions. Now if we see the 5th image, this is opposite to this is opposite to this, but this part is same. ये दोनों same direction में face कर रहे हैं, hence it is odd one out. Okay, so the answer is option E, the 5th image. So you need to see the elements carefully. So in these elements were these curves facing left or right. So if we see that bottom one is just opposite in all such cases, but except in this option where it is one of this is facing the same side, others are opposite here. Okay, so that is why the answer is option 5. So sometimes it could be easy to identify. कभी कभी होता है जल्दी से पता चल जाता है, अच्छा हाँ दिख रहा है, right? We'll do some questions, you will realize that we can easily spot, but in some cases it will be difficult to guess, right? Okay, next question. Now this is an easy one. So this is an analogy based problem. So we are given a figure in which A is related to B in the same way C is related to D. Analogy problems, many times they are easy, but at times they can be difficult as well. This one is an easy one. What is happening is this circle and this is hexagon, ठीक है, circle hexagon बन गया. This is semicircle, this is half of hexagon, right? Half of hexagon is like this, right? If you take the other half, it will become a complete hexagon, right? So circle has been converted to a hexagon, semicircle to half hexagon. Okay, now if you see this image, this is a circle, so it will be converted to a hexagon. These are two semicircles, so this will be a hexagon like this, half hexagon, and this will be another half hexagon. Now in this option, this is circle, right? This is hexagon, but these are circles. Hexagon, these are not converted. Okay, this is hexagon and hexagon, but orientation has changed, right? So orientation should also remain same. ये right side में तो right side में ही होगा, right? It will not rotate. So it is simply option 5th. Easy to spot. ठीक है, तो कोई change ही नहीं करना है, right? So that is the answer. Okay, so let us spot the figure that will replace in the question mark. So Ayush Kumar, it is already streaming in HD, right? You can increase the resolution of your video, you will be able to see it better. So in abstract reasoning, there are certain things that you need to look at, like especially rotation, mirror image, water image, reflection. These are some things that come handy. Okay, apart from that, polygons, right? For example, circle becoming hexagon, triangle becoming square, square becoming pentagon. So those things, those are the different elements that you need to look at. Now in this image, if we see, first if you see, this is a semicircle, it has been turned by 90 degree. It has been rotated 90 degree to the right in the clockwise direction. Okay, so first of all, this we will rotate by 90 degree. So we will get a pentagon like this. Okay, you can eliminate this option, you can eliminate this option. The best way is to do by eliminating options. Then there is a triangle on the back side. This was here, so triangle has come to the back side. It has just flipped outside. It was inside, right? This base was inside, now the base has come outside, right? So this circle will come outside. Okay, so circle is outside. Then there is this shape was present like this, and now it has turned like this V shape. Okay, this is not a triangle, this is actually a V shape. It was appearing as a triangle because it was intersecting with this line. Okay, so this V shape has again turned like this and has gone inside. It was out and then it has gone inside. Okay, so similarly we will have this thing will get rotated by 90 degree, it will become like this, it is outside, so it will go inside. So the answer is option 5. Okay, so obviously you could reject 3 because both images cannot be outside. Between 1 and 5 you see the rotation also. So this V shape, okay, it is rotated like this and it became like this. So similarly if you rotate this shape like this, it will be like this, not like this. Okay, so understanding of rotation is important in this. Okay, let's see the next one. Choose the odd one out of these images. So in this case we have this inverted V which is present in all. Now there are two perpendicular lines present in all, then there are 2 faces. Okay, so if you look at this is on the bottom top, bottom top, bottom top, bottom top, bottom top. So that is also nothing that you cannot say that that is an odd one out. If suppose both were on the top or both were on the bottom, you could have said that, right? So what is the next thing that we must look for? That is the direction of these pointers. Okay, so if you see, this is pointing to the right side, the second one is pointing towards left side. This is pointing towards left side to right side, left side, right side, okay, left side, right side, left side. Okay, so if you see this, in all the options it is facing opposite directions. Maybe they are facing towards each other or away from each other, but not in the same direction. देखो जैसे इन दोनों में outside it is both are facing out, both are facing in, but they are in the same direction, either both inside or both outside. In this case both are facing towards the left side, so that is the odd one out of these images. Okay, so you need to check each and every element and you will be able to get the answers. I think the print may not be exactly clear, so there are 2 circles. This is a very simple one. This one is very simple. So first thing first is they are swapping the position, right? This arrow is going to top, this circle is coming down. Okay, so they will swap the position. C should come down and the square should go up. Okay, so if square is down, that means it is incorrect. Second thing that you need to see is the number of sides. Okay, so there were 2 circles, now there is 1 circle. यहाँ पे 2 था, यहाँ आके 1 बन गया. It was 1, it has become 2. Okay, so these 2 C's, so there will be 2 C's here, so double C like this, and there were 2 here, so it was 2, it will become it was 1, it became 2 this side. Okay, and there were 2, so it will become a single square. So that is an option 2. Okay, so whatever is 2 in number will become 1 in number, और जो एक था वो 2 बन जाएंगे. So there were 2 squares, there will be 1 square, and on the opposite diagonal, I mean diagonally swap हो रहा है. ये circle यहाँ का यहाँ आ गया, so square will go this side. There are 2 squares, one inside another, so there will be just 1 square and 2 these C-shaped figure. Okay. Let's try to find the odd one out in this image. So we are given arrows. Odd one out can be at times debatable also. Okay, people might have different reasoning for them, even if it is figure based or non-figure based also. Okay, there is always a debate, and in most of the cases I believe. But in MNCT you do not have to worry, because anyway there is no negative marking, so please answer the questions, right, even if you are not sure of the answer. But in other examinations sometimes it backfires, right? You think some other way, other person might think it some other way. Now in this case we have basically things like arrows and circles. Okay, now let us try to find out the pattern of arrows or circles. What is happening in this circle? So they are like this: smaller circle, bigger, smaller, bigger, smaller, not following any pattern. Okay, some in one case they are along this diagonal, this. So diagonally you cannot say that this is different, right? Because ऐसा डायगोनल 2 जगह है, ऐसा डायगोनल 3 जगह है. ओके, स्मॉल सर्कल बिलो, बिगर सर्कल अबव. ठीक है, स्मॉल सर्कल बिलो, स्मॉल सर्कल बिलो. इन 3 केसेस स्मॉलर सर्कल इज बिलो, इन 2 केसेस बिगर सर्कल इज बिलो. सो रिमेंबर ऑड वन आउट शुड हैव अ यूनिक फीचर. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं कि 2 में हो रहा है. सो जैसे अगर आप कहोगे कि इसमें बड़ा सर्कल नीचे है, पर 2 केसेस में बड़ा सर्कल नीचे है. ओके, सो वी आर नॉट गेटिंग दिस. सो थर्ड थिंग इज द एरो थिंग. ओके, अब एरो देखते हैं. सो इट इज गोइंग टू द राइट साइड, इट इज गोइंग टू द टॉप, राइट डाउन. ओके, लेफ्ट राइट टॉप, right and right top. Okay, now one thing that you notice in arrows is there anything which you notice different in the arrows? कुछ अलग लग रहा है arrows में? देखो सर्कल ने देख लिया, सर्कल में तो ये था कि किसी में छोटा ऊपर है, किसी में बड़ा ऊपर है. दैट इज नॉट कांस्टेंट. ठीक है, ऐसा है कि दो इमेजेस में बड़ा सर्कल नीचे है. ठीक है, डायगोनल वाइज भी हमने चेक कर लिया कि 3 इमेजेस में ऐसे डायगोनल बनाए, 2 में ऐसे बनाए. सो इट इज नॉट विद द डायगोनल, इट इज नॉट विद द साइज ऑफ द सर्कल. एनीथिंग डिफरेंट इन द एरोज? कोई बताएगा एरोज में कुछ फर्क है? So many of you are answering, some have answered 2, 3, 4 all options. Why did you answer C? Or Simran answered first. So if you look at the arrows, see, one is horizontal arrow, one is vertical arrow. Horizontal, vertical. Now in this case both are horizontal arrows, right? Both horizontal arrows, this direction, this direction. Otherwise one vertical, one horizontal, one vertical, right? इसमें क्या है कि vertical भी है, horizontal भी है, vertical भी है, horizontal भी है. Okay, in this also both kind of arrows are present, but in this only horizontal arrows are present. Okay, so that is why it can be considered as odd one out. Okay, all right, now this is pattern completion. Okay, or rather there is a series given to us, we have to fill that what will come in this place. Series of 5 images, one term is missing. Instead of number series you have image series. So that is another variety of question, series question, very popular in your abstract reasoning. So you have to identify the pattern and then fill in the blank. which image will fill in the blank. So we are given a grid of 16 squares and there are some cross made inside them. Parallel. Acha, previous question. Which square will, which of these will fit in this series? I'm saying third one. Most of you saying third. Ayush is saying fifth. Okay, interesting. Shivam is saying second. Okay, second, third, all answers. First और fourth कोई नहीं कह रहा है. What is, why is first different from second? अच्छा, ये cross इधर shift हो गए. Fourth, okay, so someone has answered fourth also. So what we shall do in this case is, let us count the number of cross. ठीक है, cross गिन लेते हैं. इसमें कितने cross है? 1 2 3 4 5 crosses. ठीक है, इसमें कितने? 12 crosses हैं. Okay, this one has 14 crosses. And this has 15 crosses. ठीक है, so whenever you have a series, whether it is number series or figure based series, जहाँ पे ब्लैंक होता है ना, जहाँ पे एक साथ ज़्यादा दिख रहे हैं, उससे ऑपोजिट साइड देखना चाहिए. इंस्टेड ऑफ लुकिंग फ्रॉम हेयर टू हेयर, लेट अस सी फ्रॉम दिस साइड टू दिस साइड. ओके, नाउ 15 क्रॉस, देयर वर 14 क्रॉसेस, सो -1. 14 क्रॉस 12 क्रॉसेस, -2. कुछ पैटर्न लग रहा है, राइट? सो इफ वी हैव -3 हेयर, दिस शुड बिकम 9. -3 will make it 9 and -4 will be 5. So see, if the blank is towards the left side, so make sure that you see in the other direction. ठीक है, जरूरी नहीं है इधर से उधर से देखना, उधर से इधर भी देख सकते हो ना. It's a series, it will follow the pattern in both directions. Okay, so -1, -2, -3, -4. So it justifies that there should be 9 crosses. Okay, so 9 crosses. If you see this, there are 8 crosses. ठीक है, इसमें भी 8 क्रॉस हैं, इसमें भी 8 हैं, इसमें 10 है, and this has 9 crosses, so that will be the answer. अब ये नहीं सोचना कि 9th वाला कहाँ पे आएगा, कैसे आएगा, राइट? आई मीन 4 नीचे आ जाएंगे या 4 कैसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होंगे, दैट इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज ओनली वन ऑप्शन विद 9 crosses. So your answer is 5th one. Okay, so if you are enjoying the session, please do like the session. Right, you're getting some interesting questions, and this is how solving different variety of questions that help you understand things, right? ऐसा तो नहीं है कि एग्जाम में ये क्वेश्चन आएगा एग्जैक्ट, बट दैट विल डेवलप अ थिंकिंग एबिलिटी कि कैसे सोचना होता है चीज़ों में. ठीक है, wherever there is counting involved, there can be something related to number series. Okay, 5, 12, 14, 15, one number missing, so think in that direction. Okay, so if you think like if the missing term, number series भी होती है, जैसे मान लो कोई नंबर सीरीज है, ये नंबर दिया, ये नंबर दिया, ये दिया, ऐसे कोई नंबर सीरीज दिया, ये वाला नंबर मिसिंग है सपोज. ठीक है, सो डू नॉट लुक द सीरीज फ्रॉम हेयर टू हेयर, लुक एट द सीरीज फ्रॉम हेयर टू हेयर. सो लाइकवाइज वी डिड इन दिस केस. सो आई हैव यू गॉट 9 एज द राइट वन. यस महिमा, यू आर राइट, दैट द रीजन इज बिकॉज and that is the sequence. Okay. Okay, now we have a series in which you have to find the next term in the series. तो इस तरह के questions आते हैं, like finding the next term in the series, analogy based, odd one out, paper folding, cutting, different varieties of questions. So these are your question figures. These are your, you have to choose out of these. ठीक है, ये पूरी नहीं है, पूरे 10 नहीं है, these are 5 elements, you have to find the next one. सो हेयर यू जस्ट हैव 2 एलिमेंट्स, ठीक है। तो ये क्वेश्चन देख के समझ आना चाहिए, इजी है, बिकॉज हेक्सागन इज प्रेजेंट इन ऑल इन सेम ओरिएंटेशन, ऐसा तो नहीं है रोटेट हो रहा है हेक्सागन, राइट। सो हेक्सागन इज कांस्टेंट, यू जस्ट हैव टू लुक एट द लाइन एंड द डॉट, सो यू हैव टू गेट द प्लेसमेंट ऑफ लाइन एंड द डॉट एंड आंसर विच वन इज करेक्ट। 2 ऑप्शन में 9 क्रॉसेस होते तब उसमें सोचना पड़ता कि कहाँ पे पैटर्न बन रहा है। सो एक्चुअली दे हैड 1 2 3 4 ऐसे आया था, फिर 5th यहाँ पे आ गया था, तो एक पूरी वो लाइन भरेंगे पहले, दैट शुड बी द लॉजिक इन दैट। समटाइम्स इन सम क्वेश्चंस इट माइट हैपन कि देयर विल बी वेरी कंफ्यूजिंग क्वेश्चंस, ठीक है, ऐसा आते हैं, मतलब आउट ऑफ 25 यू मे गेट 4-5 क्वेश्चंस विच इज बियॉन्ड एक्सप्लेनेशन, ठीक है, वहाँ पे समझ में नहीं आता है, एंड लेटर ऑन इफ यू पुट अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट then you get to understand that what is the logic behind this. So always ignore such questions, right? Be it number series, anything, wherever you find the complex logic, just ignore it, because it is just a waste of time just spending on one question, okay. Now if you see this, there are 2 elements, one is the arrow and the dot, this line. So line is here, it has come this side, it was outside, okay. Now it is inside, same side, inside, next outside, inside, okay. So it is out, in, now it is again out, okay. So this has to be outside, ठीक है, ये तो पता है कि outside होगी, so you can eliminate this option, you can eliminate this option, so 2 options eliminated. Now it is on this side, movement of 1, ठीक है, जब in आ रही है तो movement नहीं हो रहा है, it is just moving inside, it is not rotating, okay. Now inside it has rotated, when it went out it is rotating, I mean rotating going to the clockwise direction, ठीक है, clockwise move कर रही है ऐसे, ठीक है. So it moved when it is not going inside or outside, but when it is going inside outside it is moving. Now it is not going outside, it is already outside, so it will come in this direction, ठीक है. So it is outside in this. अच्छा, that is in all the ones. Now we will look at the dot, ठीक है. Dot कैसे जा रहा है? Dot is outside, inside, inside, outside. This is out, in, out, out. So this should be inside, ठीक है. Dot आना चाहिए अंदर. So we can eliminate this option that it cannot be outside, it has to be inside. Now let us see the pattern. If it is going inside, same position, right? If it is inside, it is rotating. Okay. It went outside, same position, right? It remained outside, so it moves. So if it is coming in, it will not move. Okay. If it is coming inside, it will not move, so the answer will be third. So in both the cases, the line as well as the dot, either it is going outside or it is moving, ठीक है. If it is going inside or outside, it is not moving from its position. So if it is on the top, it will come inside to this position, ठीक है. जिस केस में वो outside inside हो रहा है तो वो उसी पोजीशन पे रहेगा, बट इफ इट इज नॉट गोइंग, इट इज नॉट चेंजिंग आउटसाइड इनसाइड, सो इट इज मूविंग इन दैट केस. फॉर एग्जांपल, इट वाज गोइंग आउटसाइड, सो इट रिमेन्ड एट दिस पोजीशन. नाउ इट इज आउट ओनली, सो इट विल शिफ्ट. नाउ इट इज कमिंग इन, so that's why it will be in the same position. So the answer is third one. Okay, all right, so let's see the next one. Now it has multiple elements, right? If there are 4 or 5 elements, the best way is to eliminate options. डायग्राम बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है. चेक फॉर वन ऑफ द एलिमेंट्स, जैसे स्टार देख लिया या स्क्वायर देख लिया, कुछ भी देख लिया, उसके मूवमेंट से यू नीड टू एलिमिनेट सम ऑफ द ऑप्शंस. सो कैसे करेंगे इसमें, लेट अस सी द एलिमेंट्स. सो लेट अस सी दिस स्क्वायर. ठीक है, ये ब्लैक स्क्वायर, ये यहाँ से यहाँ आ गया. ठीक है, देन इट वेंट फ्रॉम दिस साइड टू दिस साइड, देन इट वेंट दिस साइड टू दिस साइड, देन फ्रॉम दिस साइड टू दिस साइड. सो दिस शुड कम एट बॉटम. ठीक है, okay, it is in bottom in all the images. Okay, so not worth the effort looking at this. Let us see some other thing. Let's look at let us say the central image. Okay, this went up, this came down, then this side, then this side again. If it is going up, then it is coming down. Okay, then center, then it is coming left, so it should go to the right side. Okay, ideally it will be on the right side, this 0. Okay, so we can eliminate this option. Center पे तो नहीं रहेगा क्योंकि like if it is coming to this from center, it is going to one end, then the extreme end, then center, then one end, second end. Okay, so we have eliminated 2 options. So we are done with this figure, we have done this figure. Let us see your Z thing, okay, or any of the elements. We can see triangle also. So if we see Z is going from the left to right, okay, this end to this end, then center, then this end to this end. So basically it is going end to end and then center. Okay, now this end could be horizontal end, like left end, right end, then center. This is bottom, this is top, so then it should come in the center. So from that we get this as the answer, right? Let us check other elements also. So we have checked this, we have checked your circle also, we have checked Z also. Let us check star. How is star moving? ठीक है, star को भी देख लेते हैं. Star was here, it went this side, okay, and then it went this side, then it's this side, then this side. So star यहाँ पे आना चाहिए, right? Star should be on the left hand side, so that is also being followed. ठीक है, तो 3-4 एलिमेंट देख लिए, not necessary to see all 5 elements, right? So star is moving like this, ऐसे ऐसे मूव कर रहा है, यहाँ से यहाँ गया, फिर यहाँ से यहाँ गया, यहाँ आया और यहाँ पे आ जाएगा star. So star is on the left hand side. So from that also you could have rejected options A. Many of the options could have been rejected by that. So it is about seeing the elements. अगर सबसे पहले star check किया होता, so you could have eliminated A, C, E directly. Okay, so here luck also plays a role, that we started with square. Maybe we had seen star, we could have easily eliminated 3 options, then seen the position of what you should see is common element छोड़ देना है. ठीक है, suppose we started with star. Okay, we started with star, so we saw that star is here in 2 of the options, B and D. Okay, so we eliminated 3 options. Now if you see B and D, circle is here, so no need to check for circle, right? So circle check ही नहीं करना है क्योंकि circle दोनों options में यही है. Square is also on this position, so you need to check only for Z or triangle. So 2 elements से भी हो जाता. Okay, so it is about luck also. You started with some of the pattern and got it. Okay, or in some case you might have to check multiple ones. Okay, so here's the next one. You have to find the next term in the series. So this series is given and these are the options. So it depends, right? On some day, in some questions you are lucky. Too many elements. So too many elements, check one by one, right? Some of the elements you check 1 or 2 elements, you should be able to eliminate some of the options. ठीक है, बाकी अगर टाइम बहुत लग रहा है, so just mark one randomly क्योंकि नेगेटिव तो होती ही नहीं है ना. So this is something wherein you do not have to spend a lot of time. ठीक है, इस सेक्शन में ठीक है 15 भी स्कोर कर लिया out of 25, it's a great number in itself. और एक साथ करते रहोगे थक जाओगे, राइट? सो डू इट इन इंस्टॉलमेंट्स, 8-10 क्वेश्चन किए, देन मूव ऑन टू अदर्स एंड सी. Okay, so let us see this image. ये यहाँ से down खुला है, right open, so it has to be top open. Okay, so you can eliminate this option, you can eliminate this option. Okay, now there is a figure on this side, this side, this side, this side, this side, this side. So there should be figure on top. Okay, so we can eliminate one also. Okay, now if we see this, there is C, then 2 times equal, then 2 times cross. So every image is coming 2 times. Okay, so maybe see, we are given a series, right? इससे पहले का हमें दिया नहीं है. Maybe before this image C was outside, right? So we are having an image for 2 times. So we will have a new image, that is N. Okay, now this question could be debatable also, right? Even I would debate it as there could be 1, 2, 3 also possibility. That depends how does the examiner think. ठीक है, कभी कभी ऐसे examiner ऐसा भी सोच सकता है कि this one C has come 1 times, this has come 2 times, okay, this can be 3 times. So sometimes this could also be an option, but it is again sometimes you cannot help in the questions. You just mark what you think is correct, and it could be correct also. I mean, we cannot say, right? It could be that one time this, maybe there was something before this also, okay, and 2 times an image is coming, so we will have a new image in that case. Now this is on paper folding, easy question. Paper folding is based on your reflection thing, right? How an image is reflected on X and Y axis. So Ayush, if you are not enjoying the questions, you can spend time elsewhere, right? Why are you wasting your time here? Okay, so we are folding it in half, then to another half. ठीक है, पहले इसको half किया, फिर half किया. So when we unfold, first of all, this quarter will become, ये quarter को हम half में convert करेंगे. So this will be reflected on this. There will be water image of this. ठीक है, इसकी water image बनाएंगे. So we will have A like this, and we will have A like this. Okay, so from this you can eliminate, can we eliminate? Yes, we can eliminate C, we can eliminate D, क्योंकि वो inverted A बनेगा, right? And when we open it outside, what will happen is we will have a your this thing, the mirror image of it, right? So we will have 4 A's like this. पहले A देख लो, right? A से ही अंदाजा जाएगा. So we get this. ठीक है, इसमें A उल्टे हो गए, right? It should be A inverted. It should be straight A. It is inverted, so that is why it is incorrect. Okay. So this is a paper which is folded and then it is cut into pieces, and you have to tell that how does it look like when it is opened. So in these questions we need to go in the reverse way. ठीक है, so पहले we will convert it to half. So when it becomes half like this, this is the part. Okay, when it opens up, right, so there will be this cut will be like this. Okay, this cut will come like this. We will have this on inside. Okay, और ऊपर से दो, like we will get a shape like this, right? This is the half part. Okay, and when we again now we will get 3. ये half है तो we'll get something like this. Okay, so when we open it again, right, this is half part. So if we open this half, so we will get a parallelogram in the center, right? Then we will get 3 parallelograms like this. थोड़ा सा ये शेप मतलब ऐसा बड़ा पैरेललोग्राम बनेगा. This parallelogram, this 3, and then there will be M shape like this, and then W shape like this. Okay, and this will also be cut like this inside. Right, so if you look at the image, 1 parallelogram in the center, 2, that is fine. Here you have 2 these shapes, like you have M kind of shape, right? So in this option we see that M shape. In this case we do not have the M shape. In this case also we do not have the M shape. So the answer is option A. So you have to visualize. Okay, so you have to visualize that what should be the correct one. So you can see any of the elements. You could have seen this M and found out that only this option has M's on the 4 sides. So paper has been folded in this manner, not straight lines, straight lines, but not I would say that at 90 degrees or something. So not complete overlap, and you have to find how will the image look like after opening this. So just go in the reverse way and find out. So whenever you have any unfolding question, you should go from this side to this side and find कि कैसे बनेगा. So if you want to show us some love, please like the session. अच्छा, so first when you unfold it, what will happen that this was flipped out down, तो ये यहाँ पे reverse बन जाएगा, right? So this and this. Okay. Now it was closed in half. So when you open it back, so it will be something like this. Two squares here and 2 circles in the center, 2 circles in the corner. Okay. Now what will happen is when you open it again, these 2 circles will remain. These 2 will go to this side, right? So we will have 4 circles here. Okay, and then we will have this will be 2 circles only. Okay, these 2 will remain 2 circles only, and then we have, see this part, this, if you see this triangle, ठीक है, ये triangle यहाँ पे ऐसे आ रहा था, right? It is not overlapping this part. So when this triangle was, this triangular portion was folded inside, it was not covering these circles. ये triangle यहाँ पे था, ये अंदर आ गया, but ये circles को cover नहीं करेगा. So when you open it, these 4 will not be displayed outside. Okay, so we will have 4 circles only in the center. Okay, so in these opening, this folding and unfolding, you have to see that if it was in the overlapping region, then only it will be reflected. Okay, so if it was not in the overlapping region, it will not get reflected outside. जैसे यहाँ पे था, ये ओवरलैपिंग रीजन में था, सो बोथ ऑफ देम गेट रिफ्लेक्टेड. ये चारों ओवरलैपिंग रीजन में थे, सो ऑल 4 गॉट रिफ्लेक्टेड. नाउ इन दिस केस this is not in the overlapping region, so they don't get reflected, you get only 2 circles. These were in the overlapping region because this was the overlapping region, these 2 triangles. ठीक है, इसके अंदर जो आएगा वो रिफ्लेक्ट होगा क्योंकि that was overlapping part. This was not in the overlapping part, so only 4 circles in center. Okay, so that thing needs to be kept in mind. So here's the next one. It's an easy one. So in this case what we see is, देखो, if we go step by step back, this gets reflected here, this triangle will come here, triangle will come here, and this C shape. Okay, and now when we open these 2 faces, ठीक है, तो ये क्या हो रहा है, रिवर्स हो रहा है, ये भी रिवर्स होगा. सो यू विल गेट ट्राइंगल फेसिंग बॉटम एंड देन यू विल गेट ट्राइंगल फेसिंग लाइक दिस. ओके, सो ट्राइंगल से ही देख लेते हैं, वी विल बी एबल टू एलिमिनेट मे बी सम ऑफ द ऑप्शंस. Okay, so option 3 we can eliminate. Okay, option 4 also we can eliminate. Okay, so these 2 options are not possible because triangle has to go inverted. ठीक है, दो ऑप्शन रिजेक्ट हो गए. Now out of 1 and 2 what will happen, this C shape, this C cut will be present here and present here. So ये ऐसे ऐसे आ जाएगा. So that is in option 2. It will not get vertical cuts, right? If you have made the cuts horizontally, it will remain horizontally only, it will not be vertical. Okay, so that is the right answer to this. Okay, all right, so that was some practice questions on abstract reasoning. Okay, and I hope you enjoyed the session, so please do like the session before leaving it. And right, so abstract reasoning basically involves your questions based on observation, whatever is the question type. ठीक है, चाहे वो सीरीज हो या इफ इट इज ऑड वन आउट और इट इज एनालॉजी, एनीथिंग, इट इज अबाउट द एलिमेंट्स प्रेजेंट इन द फिगर एंड you need to have basically some sort of understanding of how figures get rotated, what is mirror image, water image, etc. Visualization is important, that is why it is also called visual reasoning. Your visual skills should be good to visualize that कि ये अगर mirror image है तो कैसे reflect होगा, water image है तो कैसे reflect होगा, rotate कैसे होगा, what is 90 degree rotation, clockwise, anti-clockwise. So that is something that you need to take care of. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Have a great day ahead. Goodbye.